10 Advantages of a vertical garden. A vertical garden is commonly known as a living wall. It comprises of small indoor or outdoor plants which are grown on a freestanding structure or a fixed wall. When designing a vertical garden, one must ensure that the entire wall gets adequate sunlight throughout the day. Hydroponics is used for growing these plants. The advantages of a vertical garden are as follows. A vertical garden maximizes space, and limited wall space can be used to create a vertical garden. It can grow in small balconies or a backyard. Vertical gardens look organized and clutter-free in comparison to potted plants which are kept on tables and floors. The vertical garden can function as a natural air purifier if air purifying plants are incorporated within the vertical garden. These plants improve the indoor air quality by absorbing harmful VOCs and toxins like carbon monoxide, benzene, trichloroethylene, and formaldehyde from the indoor and outdoor air. Vertical gardens reduce the carbon footprint by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. A vertical garden reduces noise pollution by blocking low-frequency noise. The plants are healthy in vertical gardens because they receive a lot of sunshine along with good air circulation around the plants. The leaves dry faster. They are protected from fungal growth, pests, soil-borne diseases, and weeds. Therefore, pesticides or insecticides are not used on the plants. Vertical gardens lower the surrounding temperature by the process of transpiration. Vertical gardens are easy to maintain because they can be fertilized, watered, and pruned conveniently. A variety of plants can be incorporated within the vertical garden to create biodiversity. A vertical garden functions as a focal point and gives a stunning look to the indoor or outdoor areas.